Hey guys, so we have just introduced a new onboarding flow, and we're even making existing users go through it. The reason for this is because we're building a incredible engine that will build and suggest AI tools for you. This is part of our broader initiative to basically use AI to build your dream AI tool for your audience. So we are going to go through this here very quickly. The first question is just, what's the name of your business? Super easy. You're going to pick what exactly you are. If you're a niche expert, if you're a course creator, if you're a GHL agency, other. In this case, I'm a GHL agency. You're going to pick who your end user is. So who exactly is going to be interacting with your tools and really where. So if they're course students, website visitors, community portal members, you will be able to select that. In this case, I'm a GHL agency. I'm going to select my sub-account users. The next thing is you definitely want to put your website. If you don't have a website, you can always skip it. You will get better results if you do have a website. The next thing is, what is your intended use case for FormWise? I want tools that small businesses can use to help them write better on brand copy for their ads and emails and anything else they would need. So that's really my outcome that I want my audience to achieve by using the tools I make on FormWise. The next thing is you'll pick what type of tools you're most excited about. So in this case, I want copywriting boosters, strategy builders, content generators. These are all great. And then we're going to pick a brand tone. Now, of course, once these tools are built, you can always go back and add your own little brand instructions in the prompt. But in this case, I can just let the AI decide. And basically, based on the website, it is going to decide what that tone is. So we are going to go ahead and proceed to the dashboard. Okay, so we're on the dashboard, and if you give it about a minute or two, you will see some suggested tools in here that, again, based on what you entered, it's going to go ahead and suggest tools that our AI tool builder will actually create for you. And then you can adjust it as the AI tool builder builds it for you. So you can see that it generated an ad copy generator, perfect for my audience, an email sequence builder, a social media content planner, an on-brand tone CoPilot that'll rewrite any copy based on their brand's personality and goals, offer and headline ideation assistant. So this is all awesome. So let's just say I want to go ahead and build an ad copy generator. You can hit build by AI, and this is going to let you jump into our AI tool builder. So this AI tool builder is going to build your AI tool. I know it's pretty crazy. So it's going to auto-fill the description of that tool. You can always enhance a prompt. You can always add additional things in here. But nonetheless, once you hit generate outline, it's going to sort of give you a draft of the tool. And it's going to basically give you an outline of how your users are going to interact with that specific tool. Usually takes about 30 seconds to a minute. And once you're in here in the outline, again, here's a summary of that, how they're going to basically be interacting with your tool. This is called user stories. And basically, it gives you a story of putting yourself in your user's shoe, how they're going to be interacting with your tool. So for example, as a user, your end user, I want to input my business name, product details, unique selling proposition, so I can receive ad copy that accurately represents my brand offer. If this is a typical user story of how you want them to interact with your tool, then you want to keep it. If you do want to sort of, add additional things in here, like maybe I want them to pick a CTA for the type of copy. I also want them to pick the channel the copy will be generated for. So you can actually chat with the AI tool builder, and it's going to adjust the outline. So you can go back and forth. You can tell it never mind and stuff, and it'll continue to add these features to your tool and adjust it so it works specifically how you want it to work. I'm going to tell it one more time. I want the user to answer max 4 questions for this tool. So I want to keep it short. So as you can see, went ahead and added that I want the user to choose the advertising channel so that the generated copy fits the format and the best practices. So there it is. Perfect. So now we're going to generate the tool. And here's the fun part is this is actually going to create the tool. It's going to create all the fields. It's going to create the prompt. You can test the tool as soon as it's created, and you can adjust the prompt. You can always go back and really make it your own. But this really is a huge productivity multiplier in the previous starting from scratch, or maybe even choosing a template. This basically you're building a tool that is 98% there. I mean, you might be able to use it out the gate. So let's see what it created for us here. Created the business offer field, target audience, advertising channel, and the call to action. Awesome. So again, if I didn't want this to be multiple choice, if I wanted it like open-ended, I could always update that. Let's go look at the prompt. Added a prompt, and it created the entire prompt for me with everything mapped. The only thing I change here, and maybe I want to use a newer engine. I can test the tool, and I can judge the quality of the tool. So let's check this out. Business offer. Let's do the same one. Lead Dragon CRM. Small business owners and Facebook. And we're going to do sign up. We're going to submit. Again, this is a quick test, a very simple tool, and we'll see here what it's going to generate the copy here in just a second. So again, this is just a really quick way to build a tool. This we've basically cut the time into about 3 minutes to build a tool, which is great. The typical 15-minute mark that we had previously. So again, this is a huge productivity multiplier, especially if you're if you're building a more niche tool, you can always adjust that. And the cool thing, guys, is you're able to use the AI tool builder at any time inside of your dashboard. It's going to be right here in the top right corner. You'll probably see this pop up. Please use it. Give us some feedback. We have people building some incredible tools already in the beta cohort. So we look forward to seeing what the community builds with this new feature. We're super excited. As always, we appreciate you being in the FormWise community. If you have any feedback, just let us know on Facebook. Thanks, guys.